Welcome to a magical journey where we'll transform your home into a reading wonderland for your kids. Discover the power of a consistent reading routine for your child's development. Choose the perfect time for daily reading sessions when both you and your child are relaxed. Transform a corner of your home into an enchanting reading nook that sparks imagination. Master the art of storytelling to captivate your child's imagination and bring stories to life. Empower your kids by letting them choose books and enjoy independent reading time. Explore creative ways to track reading progress and boost motivation with fun visual aids. Discover techniques to make reading sessions fun and stress-free for both you and your child. Learn the secrets of seamless transitions from reading to other engaging activities. Uncover the benefits of using visual aids to enhance comprehension and engagement. Find out how to keep the reading routine fresh with new books and exciting topics. Explore the importance of modeling good reading habits for your children. Learn how to create a lifelong love of reading through consistent, joyful routines. Ready to create your own reading wonderland? Click the link below for more magical tips.